equilibrium is a condition where the quantity supplied is equal to the quantity demand, the process of establishing market balance. Market equilibrium is formed when sellers increase price and buyers reduce price bargaining. Factor affecting A. Demand for goods or service increase, but the quantity of goods or service is limited. B. High and low production costs. C. A view of the future of the producer or consumer. D. Manufacturers no consumer tastes. A. The supply of goods or service increase, but consumer purchasing power remains the same or decrease. Formula QD equal QS equal QA. Information D. Demand. S. Supply. P. Price. Q. Quantity. A. Equilibrium. Market balance curve. Buyer. Supermarginal buyer. Able to buy above market price. Submarginal buyer. Able to buy below market price. Marginal buyer. Able to buy at market price. Seller. Supermarginal seller. Sells below market price. Submarginal seller. Sells above market price. Marginal seller. Sells at market price. Demand curve. Definition. A demand curve shows the amount of a good or service that consumers will buy at various price levels. Characteristic. Demand curve usually have a negative slope, which means that when the price of a good falls, the quantity demand tends to increase and vice versa. This is known as the law of demand. 2. Supply curve. Definition. The supply curve shows the amount of a good or service that producer will produce and offer at various price levels. Characteristic. The supply curve usually has a positive slope, which means that as the price of a good rises, the quantity offered allows tends to increase. This is known as the law of supply. 3. Equilibrium point. Definition. The equilibrium point is the point where the demand curve and the supply curve meet. At this point, the quantity of the good demand is equal to the quantity of the good offered. Equilibrium price. The price at the equilibrium point is called the equilibrium price, where there is no surplus or shortage in the market. 4. Surplus and shortage. Surplus. If the price is above the equilibrium price, the quantity offered exceeds the quantity demand. This leads to a surplus in the market, where products cannot sell all their product. Shortage. If the price is below the equilibrium price, the quantity demand exceeds the quantity offered. This leads to a shortage in the market where consumers want to buy more products than are available. 5. Curve shift. Demand curve shift. Factors such as change in consumer tastes, income, or the price of substitute goods can cause the demand curve to shift to the right, increase in demand, or to the left, decrease in demand. Supply curve shift. Factors such as change in production costs, new technology, or government policies can cause the supply curve to shift to the right increase in supply or to the left decrease in supply. Problem example, the demand function of a good is shown as QD equal 40 min P and the supply function QS equal 4P min 50 determine the equilibrium quantity and price. Answer, QD is equal to QS. 40 less P equal 4P min 50 min 5P equals min 90. P equals 18. QS equals 4P minus 50 equals 4 times 18 minus 50 equals 72 minus 50 equals 22. Proof, QD equals 40 minus P equals 40 minus 18 equals 22. Price 18, quantity demand 22.